Imagine a floating home, a quirky masterpiece of ingenuity, making its way across the waters to a small Michigan town. That's exactly what happened in Lexington, Michigan on November the 25th, 2025, when the Neverlanding, a makeshift houseboat from Windsor, Ontario, anchored at the Lexington State Harbor. This isn't your typical vessel. It's a conversation starter, a head-turner, and a testament to human creativity. But here's where it gets intriguing. Neverlanding isn't just a boat. It's a fully equipped mini ecosystem on water. The roof, though hard to confirm from a distance, appears to be adorned with solar panels, hinting at a sustainable lifestyle. The front of the boat is a marvel in itself, equipped with a jet ski, a rubber dinghy, and a rowboat, or perhaps a duck boat, while the back boasts at least one outboard motor. And if that's not enough, a pair of owl statuettes perch atop, adding a whimsical touch to this floating sanctuary. Richard Laframboy, owner of the Windjammer Bar and Grill, speculated that the owner and captain of Neverlanding might have visited his restaurant on Monday night, blending into the local scene as seamlessly as their boat blends into the harbour. But here's the part most people miss. This isn't just a quirky vessel. It's a symbol of freedom, self-sufficiency, and the human desire to break free from conventional living. Is this the future of sustainable living, or just a bold experiment? David Voigtman, a Lexington local, made his way to the harbour not just to witness the salmon spawning, but to catch a glimpse of this floating marvel. Neverlanding has become more than a boat. It's a local attraction, sparking curiosity and conversation. But here's the controversial question. In a world increasingly focused on sustainability, could such unconventional living arrangements become the norm? Or will they remain the domain of the daring few? What do you think? Is Neverlanding a brilliant solution to modern living, or just a passing fad? Share your thoughts in the comments. Let's spark a discussion.